Hi everyone, today I'm super excited to show you this gorgeous collection of floral themed stickers. They are more like little works of art, and each one has such a unique and delicate design that it feels like holding a tiny painting in your hands. Let's start with the designs. They are all inspired by nature and the variety is just amazing. As for the overall vibe, I would say these stickers are perfect for anyone who loves nature, art, or anything with a soft aesthetic touch. And they have this peaceful, almost dreamy quality that makes them ideal for creative projects. You'll see flowers like daisies, roses, and many others, each drawn in intricate detail. Some stickers show simple floral patterns, while others create little scenes like a crescent moon shining through the greenery or flowers blooming in what looks like a spring meadow. What makes them stand out even more is the textured effect on some of them, which gives off a hand painted vibe, making them feel so artistic and special. And now let's talk about the colors. The color palette is absolutely dreamy. Soft pastels dominate the collection, giving it a calm and soothing feel. There's a lot of light green, white, and yellow, complemented by subtle hints of pink, orange, and blue. These colors not only make the stickers visually appealing but also add to their elegant and minimalistic look. And that brings me to how you can use them. These stickers are so versatile. You can use them to decorate journals, planners, or scrapbooks, giving your everyday items a unique and personal touch. And if you're into crafting or letter writing, these are great for sealing envelopes or adding a bit of charm to gift wrapping. They would even look amazing on phone cases, laptop covers, or anything you want to personalize. What I personally love about these stickers is how much thought has gone into each design. It's not just about the flowers, it's about the mood they create, the peaceful and refreshing feeling they bring. They are perfect for adding a little bit of art and beauty to your daily life. So, what do you think? Would you use this for decorating, journaling, or maybe as a thoughtful addition to a gift? Let me know, and I hope you find these as inspiring as I do. Thanks for watching.